Hi everyone, I'm Louise and I spend all my time hiking through my home country Sweden together with my fiance and our dog. This is how we make coffee for a day hike. For those of you who don't know it, but coffee is actually very important for Swedes. Sweden actually ran out of coffee during the World War II, so we stocked up during the Cold War. That's how important it is. So of course we always bring some boiling water on a day hike, and we use these paper filters that are super handy.
Fail. We brought a broken one.
I guess you can call us coffee snobs, since we do have different preferable ways to make coffee for different types of situations. But this works very well when we are off on a day hike. So how do you prefer to make your coffee? Bye!